How to play Helldivers 2 on PS4. Let's get started. If you are a fan of Helldivers series like me, you have probably been eagerly awaiting for the release of Helldivers 2. But the big question is, can you play it on your PS4? Let's find out. First, head to the PlayStation Store either through your console or the website. Then navigate to the PlayStation Store. Once you are there, you will likely find Helldivers 2 prominently displayed. You can check out screenshot videos and detailed descriptions to get a feel for the game. Now when it comes to purchasing, you have two options: the standard edition for the Super Citizen version. The Super Citizen version comes with extra bonuses for those hardcore fans. Right now, Helldivers 2 is exclusively available on PlayStation 5 and PC. That means, unfortunately, PS4 users are out of luck. Looks like it's time to upgrade to a PS5 if you want to experience Helldivers 2 and other next-gen titles. Helldivers 2 makes a massive graphical jump over the first game, utilizing the PS5's superior horsepower to deliver large environments and hordes of enemies. As modern games push graphical boundaries, last-gen consoles inevitably get left behind. Helldivers 2 is likely no exception, with PS5 and high-end PCs offering the best experience. So you can upgrade to PS5 to play the native next-gen version, or build a decent gaming PC to play the Steam release. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear if you can play Helldivers 2 on PS4 or not. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.